Hey guys, welcome to Privacy Papa. In this video, I am going to tell you browsing the internet in a safer way. We all are well familiar with browsing. Have a doubt in chemistry or have a doubt in programming. We all do is search for solution on the internet. Yeah, the internet plays an important role in our life. Have an online exam? Hell yeah. Being a student, you may ask Google's the answer. Browsing the internet gets you out of any problem and gives you a perfect solution. When you search for your problem and you get a list of websites, you choose one among many and grasp the information from it. That's cool, right? Many choices and picking one. But have you ever wondered, are we having a safe search? Or is it a safe to open any web page or site? Hell no, it's a big no. You sometimes open a site that bluffs you to give the information, but people bluff you and steal your data. Sometimes they may hack your device as well. So what do you think can you do? Let's dig into it. So how to safely search on internet? Here are 8 methods mentioned in this video. Number 1, using a virtual private network. What is a virtual private network? It's the abbreviation for VPN. This VPN helps to send and receive information in the form of data from any corner of the world. That's exciting. Now let's know what an IP is. An IP stands for Internet Protocol. This refers to the set of rules and regulations which you need to follow while you use the internet for your personal use. Your internet connection consists of an internet protocol address, which is an IP address. This IP address has all the information regarding your details like name, location and other data. In the VPN helps to save and secure your IP address, which consists your details like name and address. Installation of a VPN to protect your IP is important for the safest search. Install your VPN now. Number 2 is using Tor. Wondering what is a Tor? Let's go deep into the abbreviation. Tor stands for the Onion Router. Nah, don't judge a book by its cover. I know it sounds a little funny, but this browser never saves your IP address and gives you a lot of privacy. Using Tor as a web search, you can have your privacy and information unbreached. That's full protected, though it has some demerits also. Regarding that, I will talk in some other video. So number 3 is security software. You can install a firewall if you ever need to seal a local network from an untrusted external network. Through spyware, the software can take your personal information and data without your knowledge. Your privacy should be your prior concern. Using and opening an unsafe site may lead to a drain on your information and may also result in hacking, malware or even phishing. Taking care of your information by these means help you to protect your information and have your privacy. So number 4 in this list is install the most secure web browser. So not all the web browsers are safe and sound. There are few web browsers that respect your privacy and provide you with the content of your choice. So number 1 in this list is Microsoft Edge. It blocks the malware by 99% and it is the safest web browser. Number 2 in this list is Google promises you to have a safe search and blocks malware and phishing by 85.9%. Wow, that's great. But third one is Mozilla Firefox. It's the oldest version of web browser and this web browser protects your information and lends you 78.3% of privacy. So now number 5 in this list is having a strong password. It's the important thing you should do every time on whenever you browse the internet. So you already know a strong passwords helps you to have your privacy. The option of your passwords keep your information to yourself. Never let your information flow to other sites and other person. Use special symbols, capital letters and other keywords which never let others guess your password. Whether it's a friend, best friend or boyfriend, never share your password and respect your privacy. Passwords are usually the safest means of protection your personal information. These passwords act as a great barrier that prevents the flow of personal information to others. So number 6 in the list is update your operating system. which is the operating system. Updating the operating system is the basic thing you should always do. What is an operating system? They are the mediator between you and your personal computer. Updating your operating system helps you to have your privacy and security. Linux, Windows and Unix are the operating systems for your personal computer. iOS for Apple and Android for your Samsung is the operating system for your phones. Your phone and your personal computer should have their privacy and information secure. So updating your operating systems help you to secure your data and information. Number 7 in this list comes log out when done. It means log out from your account whenever you are not using internet. Log out from the website after your transaction is done. This will keep your information safe and secure. So it's in your hands and your choice. Taking time to log out of your website helps your information to be secure and safe. There would be no chance of getting hacked, phished or even fraud. Number 8, the last but not the least point is do not use public Wi-Fi. So another sure way to stay safe is by avoiding public Wi-Fi. You may not know, but that free coffee shop Wi-Fi you are enjoying isn't exactly safe. Using public Wi-Fi clones your name and passwords. You never know who could have set it up and what information they are logging. Sometimes others may even set up clones that mimic the name of the public Wi-Fi you are trying to connect to. So browse safe, let your information be protected and secured. So browsing the internet is fun, productive and even obliging, but stay safe and preserve your information. So with that note, Privacy Papa signs out and stay connected with the Privacy Papas. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video if you liked it, and share the video with your friends and relatives if you find the video helpful, and do subscribe to the channel if you liked it. Thank you.